Roles in Azure AD. In Azure AD, roles are sets of permissions that dictate what operations can be performed by a user, group, or service principal. They serve as an essential tool for managing and regulating resource access within your Azure environment. Types. 1. Built-in roles. These roles come pre-configured in Azure, like owner, contributor, and reader. 2. Custom roles. Tailor-made roles based on specific organizational requirements. 3. Directory roles. Roles specific to Azure AD operations such as user administrator and global administrator. 4. Azure Back roles. Used to manage Azure specific resources. Features. Role assignments. Assign roles to users, groups, or service principals. Role definitions. The JSON structure specifying what actions are permitted or denied. Scalable assignments. Assign roles at various scopes, from management groups to specific resources. Role eligibility and activation. For privileged roles, set up users to be eligible and require activation. Capacity. The number of role assignments varies depending on your Azure subscription and Azure AD limitations, but generally, the scale is designed to meet the needs of all sizes of organizations. Purpose and usage. Roles in Azure AD primarily serve to enforce access control in a least privilege model. They facilitate better governance, compliance, and security by ensuring that users and applications have only the permissions they need to perform their tasks. How to make use of it? 1. Identify requirements. Before assigning roles, identify the specific permissions required. 2. Assign roles. Use the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or PowerShell to assign roles. 3. Monitor and audit. Utilize Azure AD's audit features to track role assignments and activations. 4. Review and update. Periodically review roles for relevancy and compliance. Summary. Roles in Azure AD are sets of permissions defining what operations can be performed. Types include built-in roles, custom roles, directory roles, and Azure Back roles. Features encompass role assignments, definitions, scalable assignments, and role eligibility/activation. Capacity is generally flexible, designed to meet the requirements of organizations of all sizes. The main purpose is to enforce a least privilege access control model for better governance and security. Utilization involves identifying permission requirements, role assignment, monitoring, and periodic reviews. Thanks for watching.